Let's see if you have taste. Be black or be white. Be Russian or be Mexican. Be Chinese or be Japanese. Comment I love God or reject the offer. Be Italian or be Indian. Eat the insect or like this video. Be German or be French. Sleep in this creepy house or kiss the first person that pops up when you click share and more.